Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we delve into Samsung's latest offerings from Samsung Unpacked, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Are these new foldables worth considering for your next upgrade? Let's explore. Introduction to Samsung's latest foldables. Samsung recently unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, representing the pinnacle of foldable technology. As someone who owns the Galaxy Z Fold 5, I was eager to see the advancements Samsung has made. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 builds upon its predecessor's success with refined design and enhanced features. It continues to offer the versatility of a smartphone and tablet in one compact device, catering to users who prioritize productivity and innovation. Design and portability. Samsung has prioritized making the Galaxy Z Fold 6 thinner rather than wider, aiming to enhance its portability while maintaining a spacious unfolded screen. The refined design with thinner bezels makes it more pocket-friendly without compromising usability. The Galaxy Z Flip 6, on the other hand, retains its compact clamshell design, offering a stylish and functional choice for users seeking a foldable experience in a smaller form factor. Hardware and performance enhancements. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 introduces tougher glass and an upgraded hinge, addressing concerns about durability. These enhancements are crucial for users who rely on their devices for both work and leisure, ensuring long-term durability without sacrificing functionality. Performance-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 promises seamless multitasking and enhanced processing power, catering to users who demand top-tier performance from their mobile devices. Camera innovations. Samsung continues to push the boundaries in camera technology with the Galaxy Z Fold 6, featuring a 50MP main camera, a versatile 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a reliable 10MP telephoto lens. The addition of AI-powered features enhances photo quality and usability, making it a compelling choice for photography enthusiasts. While the new ultra-wide lens enhances low-light performance, overall camera capabilities remain comparable to those of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, ensuring users can capture every moment with clarity and detail. Is it time to upgrade? The pivotal question: should you upgrade to the Galaxy Z Fold 6? If you're using an older model like the Galaxy Z Fold 4, the enhanced durability and camera enhancements of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 may justify the switch. The refined design and improved performance cater to users looking for a seamless experience across productivity and entertainment. For Galaxy Z Fold 5 owners like myself, the decision may hinge on personal preferences and the competitive landscape. While the Galaxy Z Fold 6 offers notable improvements, the decision to upgrade should align with your specific needs and usage patterns. Galaxy Z Fold 6 Overview. Samsung has taken a bold step forward with the Galaxy Z Fold 6, equipping it with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor to deliver enhanced performance across applications and tasks. Despite this upgrade, the RAM remains unchanged from its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which may lead current users to question the necessity of upgrading solely for performance gains. New features and AI enhancements. Where the Galaxy Z Fold 6 truly shines is in its innovative AI capabilities. Samsung has introduced features like the Fold-friendly interpreter, which translates conversations in real time across different languages, making it a valuable tool for global travelers and business professionals alike. Additionally, the sketch-to-image functionality allows users to effortlessly transform sketches into polished digital artwork, catering to creative minds seeking new ways to express themselves. Should you upgrade? For those currently using the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the decision to upgrade to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 hinges on whether the incremental improvements justify the cost. While the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor promises enhanced performance, the overall user experience may not drastically differ from its predecessor. Opting to stick with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 could be a pragmatic choice for users satisfied with their current device, avoiding unnecessary expenditure without sacrificing functionality. Galaxy Z Flip 6 highlights. Turning our attention to the Galaxy Z Flip 6, Samsung has implemented notable enhancements designed to elevate the user experience. The introduction of a brighter cover screen enhances visibility in various lighting conditions, ensuring users can effortlessly check notifications and interact with the device throughout the day. Coupled with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 delivers smoother performance and faster responsiveness, making it a compelling choice for users seeking a more refined foldable smartphone experience. Enhanced user experience. Enhancing the user experience further, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 boasts a larger cover screen that facilitates easier navigation and multitasking. Whether browsing through emails or browsing social media feeds, users can enjoy a seamless experience that maximizes productivity and entertainment. Improved camera capabilities, coupled with extended battery life, ensure users can capture and share memorable moments without interruptions, reinforcing the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as a versatile companion for modern-day lifestyles. Extended software support. Samsung continues to lead the industry with its promise of long-term software updates for the Galaxy Z Flip 6, extending support until 2031. This initiative builds on Samsung's established 7-year update policy, which was first introduced with the Galaxy S24. By ensuring users receive Android updates up to Android 21, Samsung guarantees a consistent and secure user experience, bolstering the device's longevity and performance reliability. Enhanced durability and design. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is engineered with durability at its core, boasting an impressive IP48 rating that enhances its resilience against water and dust ingress. This robust build is complemented by the use of advanced materials like Armor Aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus 2, providing exceptional protection against scratches, drops, and daily wear and tear. Such durability not only enhances the device's lifespan, but also ensures that users can confidently use their Galaxy Z Flip 6 in various environments without compromising on performance or aesthetics. Advanced features for enhanced performance. Experience a myriad of enhancements with the Galaxy Z Flip 6, including significant upgrades in sound quality with louder and more immersive speakers. The device also features accelerated performance capabilities, thanks to upgraded RAM and storage options that ensure smoother multitasking and faster app loading times. Connectivity is also taken to new heights with Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E support, enabling faster data transfer speeds and more stable wireless connections. Moreover, the inclusion of a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port ensures seamless connectivity for charging and data transfer needs, while the ability to record stunning 4K videos at 60 fps from the front-facing camera expands creative possibilities for users. Innovative design and functionality. Innovative design elements set the Galaxy Z Flip 6 apart, starting with a refined hinge mechanism that not only enhances durability, but also delivers a smoother folding experience. This sleek design not only improves usability, but also adds a touch of elegance to the device's aesthetics. Furthermore, the integration of advanced Galaxy Eye features elevates the device's functionality to new heights, offering intelligent optimizations and intuitive user interactions that enhance overall usability and convenience. Outro. Considering an upgrade, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a testament to Samsung's dedication to innovation, combining cutting-edge technology with enhanced durability and performance. Click the link below to discover more about this groundbreaking device and stay tuned to future Phone Flash for the latest updates and insights into the world of mobile innovation.